Hi, I'm Randy Paul H. Cape from SAS-N Lipa City, and today I will be demonstrating holding, lifting, and burping a baby. Today I will be showing you 3 ways of lifting, holding, and burping a baby. But before carrying a baby, make sure you clean your hands by washing with water or soap or applying alcohol-based hand rub. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on their neck, back, and head, also on the bottom. Lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly in the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be on your knees, face up. Baby's feet should be tucked in your waist. Hip hold. Face your baby upward and make them safe in your hip bone. You should wrap your baby around your waist and the baby will be able to look around comfortably. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby's chin should rest on your shoulder. Gently tap or rub the back to help him burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling your baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Support the neck and the head. Gently pat the back or rub to help him burp.